What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Brandon Coin Show, and today we're going to be talking about mining ADA or Cardano. Cardano is a proof of stake coin, so naturally it's not mined, but you're going to mine it today. Well, not actually. What happens here is you mine it with either your CPU or GPU, and you mine either Monero or Ethereum, and then the miner that we're going to use or show you how to use pays you out in Cardano or any other coin of your choice. So let me flip the screen on over and show you guys how to get it downloaded and get it set up. So where we at? Bam. Okay. So this is Unmineable. If you go to the website, I'm going to put a link down below. You can use that. It's a referral link. If you don't want to, that's cool. But you can go to unmineable.com and you need to go to download. Once you get to download, you go over here for Windows. I am using the packed version. You have to right click on it and click save link as. Then you can save it as a zip file. Once you saved it, then you unzip the file. You know what? Heck, we're gonna do it right here, right now, just to show you guys, because maybe you've not zipped one before or unzipped one before. So we're gonna right click, show in folder. So it's right here, and then we're gonna right click on it, extract files. Now I'm using WinRAR, but if you're using regular Windows zipping, it'll just be like next, next, next. No big deal. When you unzip it, it'll give you a folder. Unmineable miner. You just click on that, and then you double click on the unmineable exe. Sometimes Windows Defender does pick up the Monero miner built in, like right there, boom, it just blocked it. But unmineable, once you relaunch it, it'll actually launch a copy of the XMR rig or Monero miner. A common reason why Windows picks up a Monero or a lot of other mining applications as a virus is because a lot of malware, when you go to websites, would install miners onto your system in the background, but it wouldn't be mining for you, it would be mining for somebody else. So we know that there's a miner here and we want to use it on our own system, so Windows is just false flagging it. So what you do here is you hit continue, then you decide whether you want to mine on with your CPU or GPU. And I will stop you guys here. On older systems where you don't have a graphics card that's very powerful, you may want to lean towards using the CPU, obviously. If you're using a GPU, you need a graphics card with at least 3 gigabytes of VRAM to mine ETC, or over 4 gigabytes of VRAM to mine Ethereum. So depending on what kind of graphics card you have, it'll automatically choose that. If you don't have a graphics card with at least 3 gigabytes of VRAM, you won't be able to use the GPU function. So once you go from there, I'll just show you the CPU side. You hit next, then you click on the coin you want. We clicked on ADA or Cardano, then you enter your address in, and like you see this, I've used it before, so it saves it. Then you click start. It's starting up the miner right here. You can actually click on right here, miner logs, and it'll show you like what the command prompt would normally be saying on the miner end. I'm going to stop this miner though, because I'm currently recording and it'll get super glitchy. So once it starts mining, you'll start accruing a balance here of ADA. The fees for using Unmineable are currently 1%. If you refer somebody, you get your fees down a little bit. It goes down to like 0.5% all the way down to 0.25%. To see where you're at, you just click on the website and it'll bring up your stats. So I started mine a couple hours ago. I'm at 0.05 ADA at the moment, and I have it set to pay out automatically every time I get to 10 ADA. ADA is about $1.20, so that means every $12 I'll get a payout. To figure out roughly when you should get a payout, if you know what graphics card you have, or if you know what CPU you're on, you can go to whattomine.com. For example, right now I have a RTX 3060, so I can go to Ethereum. Let's see here, and I can type in 50 mega hash, click calculate, and a day I'm roughly going to do about $4.60 a day. So that means I should get, with obviously there's a 1% fee and maybe a little bit of loss, about $4.50, give or take, worth of Cardano or ADA. So I'd be looking at a payout of about every 2.5 days, give or take, and then that just pays out to the wallet address that I put in there. I am using my Coinbase ADA or Cardano wallet address, and that does work. That is confirmed. It does, no issues there. It works. A lot of people are like, don't mind to an exchange. Don't do it. It works. You can do it. But yeah, that's it. What are we? We're 5 minutes in here, and you guys already know how to mine ADA or Cardano. Technically, you're not mining it, but yeah. So kind of cool little thing. It's a way to mine something and get a payout significantly faster than mining, like direct mining Ethereum or mining on NiceHash. Because right now, I think on NiceHash you're like $30 minimum before you get a payout. And on a lot of Ethereum direct mining pools, you need zero point 0.1, which is like 170 to 180 bucks. So, yeah, it's a cool software, cool program. I've used it for Doge. I'm actually going to be doing a video coming out tomorrow, revisiting mining Doge on some older CPUs and laptops, and also a desktop down in my garage. So that's what I more recommend people using Unmineable for, is put this on your old systems or an old laptop, something that's basically not doing anything, and it'll slowly stack up and turn into a potential coin that you may feel that may rise up or grow. Um, that's kind of, yeah, it's good for like speculating. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, I guess that's pretty much it. Dang, I finished this so early. All right. Well, other than that, if you have any questions, please join the Discord or the Facebook group and shoot them over there. Links down below in the description, and I will see you on the next one. Peace. Yeah. While I'm recording, it only does like 20 something mega hash. As soon as I stop recording, though, it shoots up to like 40s, and then if I close all my windows out, it'll do like 49. RTX 3060. Boy. All right, for real, I'm leaving, guys. Um, yeah. Yeah.